Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to change a real face into a cartoon face using Photoshop CS5. Okay, you gotta first choose the picture you want, and then I got mine ready, so I'm going to use Eminem. Okay, so we add a new layer for the lining and the outlining. We choose a size for the brush, and we use Ctrl plus button to zoom in like that. And first what I'm going to do is gonna check this brush. Okay, color is black, opacity is 100. Now it's okay. I'm going to make it 2 pixels. Okay, so first off, we're gonna start outlining the outer face, the whole head. You can click Alt and click on this to select however you want without getting this mess, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to keep going with this. Okay, so I just finished it, the outline first. So I'm going to stroke path, use brush, make sure it's brush, and click OK, and there you go. Delete path. That's what I made right now, you see. Okay, so what's next is I'm gonna do the hair right now. So okay, so that's the hair. I'm gonna stroke bath again and click OK. Alright, so the next step is you're gonna have to choose your next step. So I'm going to be choosing the eyes, like the okay, I suggest for the eyes and smaller stuff, I'm going to decrease the size of the brush because it's inner lining. I suggest that, and make sure if you got something like that in the face, you just line them up, don't worry about it, because it's gonna look different, you know. Okay, so now the eyebrows, make sure everything that in the eyebrows color is selected. Okay, so for the eyebrows, make sure you select them slowly. Oh, I'm going up too far. Okay, so that's what I've made so far. I'm gonna use eraser on those under the eyes with using 20% opacity, so it doesn't look a part of the eye. And same to the others up there on the other side. Make sure you don't click on the eyes or the eyebrows so you don't mess them up. Okay, that's better. Started to look like Eminem. Okay, so and now I'm going to outline the ears. Okay, so for here I'm gonna select the face so it doesn't look like it's a part of the ear. Yeah, it's better like that. Okay, so now I'm going to do the nose. So basically I'm gonna select around this, and because it's black I'm gonna use fill path with color black. Okay, so it looks like that. And to the other one I'm gonna just select a stroke and then yeah, hold on, I messed up. And for here I'm going to use fill path again. And now the lips. First I'm gonna see how they look like. Okay, so the lips, I'm gonna make sure it's on point, so you make sure that too. Okay, so now I did the lips, the nose, the ears, the eyes, the eyebrows, the hair. I guess it's time to color up. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't do the eyes. I'm gonna add what's inside. Oops, my bad. I selected the wrong layer. Don't do that. Only dumb people make this mistake. Okay, so almost there. Okay, now I'm gonna make a bigger circle like 4 pixels for this one. So it's gonna be like that. Okay. Uh, let's see. Yeah. Okay, it's good. It's good. And now for the coloring, uh, gonna select this one or this tool. So for me, I'm going to select this tool and select the color of the skin uh, uh, in the middle of the forehead. Just do it. You're gonna know why I chose that later. And for this one, I'm going to make another layer. Make sure the hardness is 100%. Okay. Uh, and now I'm going to select, or actually I'm going to be erasing the outliners. I mean like the color outside of the face. You do it like that, and you change the color to black. You get the pencil and do your signature autograph. So that's it. M&M. There we go. It's done. So for saving, save for web and devices. Save M&M desktop. Save. There we go. That's it. You're done. Thank you everybody so much for watching, and make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment about what you liked and what you didn't like in this video, and peace out.